Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare green beans. First, choose beans that are firm and bright green, avoiding any with blemishes. Next, you'll want to trim the ends, often called snapping, to remove any tough bits. Finally, give them a good rinse under cool water to ensure they are clean and ready for cooking. These simple steps are crucial for delicious results. Blanching is a fantastic technique to achieve perfectly tender, crisp green beans. Bring a pot of generously salted water to a rapid boil, then add your prepared beans. Let them cook for just 2 to 3 minutes until they turn a brighter green. Quickly move them to an ice bath to halt the cooking process, preserving their vibrant color and crisp texture.
Quick recommendation: if you're enjoying this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more cooking tips. And on another note, life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They are amazing. You can find a link to them and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Sautéing brings out wonderful flavors in green beans. Heat about 1 tablespoon of olive oil or butter in a large skillet over medium heat. Add your blanched beans and cook for 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until they are tender crisp. Finish by seasoning with a pinch of salt, some freshly ground pepper, and perhaps a sprinkle of garlic powder or fresh herbs. Roasting offers a delicious, slightly caramelized flavor. Toss your trimmed green beans with about 1 tablespoon of olive oil, salt, and pepper. Spread them evenly in a single layer on a baking sheet. Roast in an oven preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 15 minutes, or until they are tender and slightly browned. This method is incredibly simple and flavorful.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.